A question we often get is, what is the best plan when you know you have an activity coming up that is going to cause stress to your elbow? This could be a tennis tournament, a pickleball tournament, a long fishing or golfing weekend, or even a home improvement project. So the first thing you want to do before the activity is make sure you do a proper warm-up. So try to get the blood flowing in your body. Make sure you do your active motion exercises in your wrist and elbow, and make sure you do the stretches to prepare that tendon for the activity. Another thing that we recommend is using our tennis elbow brace. Now, we designed this brace to help reduce the stress of the force of the tendon where it attaches to the bone. So this is a great thing to wear to provide compression during your activity to help with your pain control. Now, after the activity, you are going to have an increased swelling, and we want to help control that with ice and compression. Great thing to use is the Fiix Body cold and compression sleeve that you just slide on. It's easy to use, provides compression and ice to the area to help control the swelling. Now, at the end of the day, that is when you want to use your Fiix elbow device. We still want to use this device to help bring blood flow to the area, help prevent adhesions, prevent scar tissue from forming in the tendon, and keep that tendon pliable and help reduce your pain going forward. Now, during this entire time, if you have questions with any of these activities, feel free to reach out to our website or give us a call. We're happy to help.